Language Foundations Vocabulary Flashcards, helping you achieve understanding.
Having a reddish-brown color. A person who has a special lifestyle. A high liver. Large and complicated reddish-brown glandular organ located in the upper right portion of the abdominal cavity. Secretes bile and functions in metabolism of protein and carbohydrate and fat. Synthesizes substances involved in the clotting of the blood. Synthesizes vitamin A. Detoxifies poisonous substances and breaks down worn-out erythrocytes. Liver of an animal used as meat. Someone who lives in a place. A liver in cities. Having a reddish-brown color. Favoring one person or side over another. Having color or a certain color, sometimes used in combination. Used of color, artificially produced, not natural. Having skin rich in melanin pigments. Striking in variety and interest. A colorful period of history. Having much or varied color. Colorful autumn leaves. Having color or a certain color, sometimes used in combination. Favoring one person or side over another. Having color or a certain color, sometimes used in combination. Colored crepe paper. Used of color, artificially produced, not natural. Having skin rich in melanin pigments. A human being. There was too much for one person to do. A grammatical category used in the classification of pronouns, possessive determiners, and verb forms according to whether they indicate the speaker, the addressee, or a third party. Stop talking about yourself in the third person. A human body, usually including the clothing. A weapon was hidden on his person. Causing or capable of causing death. Mortal combat. A human being. Involving loss of divine grace or spiritual death. Subject to death. Mortal beings. Unrelenting and deadly. Mortal enemy. Characteristic of or meant for a single person or thing. An individual serving. Being or characteristic of a single thing or person. Individual drops of rain. A human being. Separate and distinct from others of the same kind. Mark the individual pages. Concerning one person exclusively. We all have individual cars. A single organism. The immaterial part of a person, the actuating cause of an individual life. Deep feeling or emotion. A human being. A secular form of gospel that was a major black musical genre in the 1960s and 1970s. Soul was politically significant during the civil rights movement. The human embodiment of something. The soul of honor. A human being. A human being. A main organ that is situated inside the body. A main organ that is situated inside the body. Edible viscera of a butchered animal. Edible viscera of a butchered animal. A person who inhabits a particular place. Activation by an inner spirit or force or principle. The Holy Spirit is the indweller of the Church and its members. A person who inhabits a particular place. A plant or animal naturalized in a region. Denizens of field and forest. A person who inhabits a particular place. A person who inhabits a particular place. A person who inhabits a particular place. Liver of a goose used as meat. Edible greenish substance in boiled lobster. Liver of a calf used as meat. Liver of a calf used as meat. Liver of a chicken used as meat. The system that makes food absorbable into the body. The organs and tissues involved in circulating blood and lymph through the body. The system that makes food absorbable into the body. The system that makes food absorbable into the body. The organs and tissues involved in circulating blood and lymph through the body. The system that makes food absorbable into the body.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to become a part of our growing YouTube community and to learn English effectively.